So the day has come. We moved to Bangkok from Chiang Mai. We got a pickup in the next half hour and then a 9-hour train ride to Bangkok. Aim to be in Bangkok around about 6 or 7 tonight, and it's currently like 6:50 a.m. We go to bed till like 3. We've had like a couple of hours sleep, man. I can feel it as well because I actually love going through it now. When I wake myself up, coffee, and yeah, pack half an hour. So I thought about everything packed. That was quite a mad rush. So that doesn't fit in a bag. That doesn't fit in a bag, and that is so bloody squashed. Like literally have to sit on it to squeeze it. I've got way too much stuff. Person's already outside. We still need to pop the shop, and I feel like I could do with cleaning this up a bit more, but I swear it comes on the Airbnb. It comes up with like a cleaning fee, so I think they got to clean anyway. So, man, I'm half asleep, man. I feel like I'm missing something, but fuck knows. Man, I'm sweating already. But yeah, catch you in a bit. Thing weighs a fucking ton, man. Definitely more than 25 kilos. Another 3-4 flights of stairs. Oh God, I hate motion. Oh, sweaty. Patrick. Yeah, awesome. Nice. Perfect. Oh. Phase 1 is complete. I just got to figure out where we get a ticket, what train to catch, and where the fuck we got to go. We're 1 hour early. That gives us plenty of time. Tickets. Not as bad as the train station as I thought, as long as I'm at the right one. Now early, and it's already here. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm on the wrong train. So we made it. Still unsure why this is so early, going to Bangkok. Because if I miss it, I'm screwed, because I don't know if there's another one today. We get there around about 6:30, check in, and we're sound. So all we really got to do is make sure we get off at the right terminal, and then catch a bus or a taxi to where we need to go to. We should be alright. But it's not too bad. Second class this is. Hopefully that stuff goes so we can see out. This meal cost £1.80. It came with free water, tasted pretty bloody nice. And on top of that, I was paying for around about 80p for a cup of coffee. We had a couple of them because obviously I love coffee. The ride itself is super bumpy, pretty much like being on a roller coaster. And the aircon's super bloody cold, so that's a win. So if you do come on one of these trains, bring some extra clothes. We're now in Bangkok, just landed. So time is 8 o'clock, and we actually left. The train actually came at 8:50, and we left our place at 7 o'clock. We've just got here. So I'm just trying to figure out where we've got to go. I've still got that. I feel like I've got everything. I love a new place, man. I feel excited because I have no idea where I'm going. So I'm going to try and find a taxi of some sort of grab. I'll get on a bus, but I've only had 4 hours sleep. I feel like I'm not really feeling the sharpest. Where we're staying for 30 days is roughly a 40-minute drive. So it's got to figure out the plan. So yeah, we'll see. Taxi's on the way, £8 to travel 40 minutes. Bargain. So So the driver actually spent more time scrolling and watching TikTok videos than he was actually looking at the road. And that's not including seatbelts, don't seem to be a thing over here. I think I'm here. That could be it. Right in front. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't it. I think it may be one of these buildings. I don't have a clue, to be honest. All the lights are off, so maybe not. Fuck knows. Fuck knows. So we've set up a room, just pop into the shop, which is about 17-minute walk. And then hopefully pick up a double burger as well. Get some water, get some coffee. The place seems lovely, people seem lovely. And this apartment's like a shared apartment. So I think there's a maid, there's a huge kitchen, I got a room and I got a comfortable bed. So we haven't slept in like a comfortable bed, really, for the last 300 days maybe 250 days. So occasionally we stayed at someone's house and we stayed on a bed maybe like, I don't know, 3 to 4 times, which is quite crazy. So this bed, hopefully we should get some pretty good sleep. Although going to bed at like 4 or 5 in the morning, wake up at 10, I've been having brilliant sleep with a load of caffeine. So we've got some water, some coffee, an ice cream. We've walked back halfway, and then that burger should be done. Banging, absolutely banging. Looking forward to eating that. Oh. Fucking banging. Time to back up and head home. First night done. About 9 hours and 13 minutes sleep, but we have woke up multiple times. We had some thunder lightning and stuff. Pretty sweaty. Drink some water. Brush my teeth. Find a new book to read because we finished it. Do some stretching. Jump on the computer. And go shopping. So we're leaning down. Just need to get a bit more leaner. But we're better just to eat again, like as I mentioned, eggs and chicken and avocado. But we'll see. The view. The setup. Managed to bring that. Wasn't afraid of the bin, but I carried it in a bag in the end. So I'm reading this book. It's called The Alchemist. Shortest, quickest book I've read so far. It's about finding your personal legend. It's quite interesting. what I thought it was going to be like. It was completely different. More like a story. I highly recommend you all to read it. It's free online if you find it in the right place. And it's really a boy and an alchemist who turns metal into gold. He starts as a shepherd and then he goes on a journey, something he's always wanted to do. One never made sense at the beginning, but as he made it through the journey, things happened. He learned, he grew, he understood, and he followed his dream. And there was times where he could have gone back, took the easier path, but he knew deep down that what he wanted to do was the path he needed. He would do that, and then he could come back. So he carries on his journey, falls in love, he lands himself a job, he leaves that job, travels through the desert, and that's what I'm telling you. Go and read it. So, this is the view we get here. So many bigger buildings. It's quite nice to see. I'm not really used to seeing big buildings from Malvern, from Chiang Mai. There's some big stacks. The only problem we have for moving around is you kind of have to spend the first couple of days figuring out your location, shopping, all that kind of thing, but I enjoy it. It's, man, look at the views. So, 70 odd baht, 2 toasted sandwiches, an energy drink and small coffee. I'm hungry and thirsty and need bloody caffeine, but yeah, they heat these up in the shop. First bit of food we had today. Time is nearly 6 o'clock. We walk for another 20 minutes. One of them. Not the healthiest, but needs some energy. About 3 mouthfuls this thing. Two and a half. Not bad. Some spinach in there as well. Not too sure what's in here, but it tastes kind of like honey. It's fucking carnage. I love it. Everything's so much bigger. All the buildings are huge. Crazy. I don't know what that little moped was, but crazy. So I believe that thing there could be the Sky Train. Could be wrong, but I've heard of the Sky Train, so I presume putting the pictures together, I'll be right. Waiting for a taxi. It's going to cost about £3.50 to get back. It wasn't a walk, but the bag's pretty heavy. There's some more stuff we've got to do tonight, so we won't. You alright?